Yo, what going on, family, man? Showtime in the motherfucking building. Appreciate y'all for tapping in to goddamn part one of Honk if you drinking shit like that. Know I had to run that motherfucker back for y'all shit like that. I got the cameraman with my cousin. He finna goddamn pipe us up with his shit like that.
Yeah.
I'll put his shit in the description and shit like that. Make sure y'all follow his page, man. I ain't finna take up too much of your time, man. Like, get a leg up. Alright, y'all, goddamn. We in a more better spot than last time and shit like that. I feel like we gonna get a lot more honks and shit. You know what I'm saying? Niggas already looking at it right now and shit like that. We prime street. You dig what I'm saying? So I feel like we finna get some goddamn, you feel me? Now what we sipping on some lovely goddamn cut waters and shit like that. Obviously can't advertise for the reasons and shit like that, but we're in this big vibing and shit like that, man. I'm probably gonna get copyrighted for this goddamn video too, for the music in the background. But shit, fuck it though, we still vibe, man. Yeah, I gotta make sure that these shit goddamn stay put and shit. Gotta raise that motherfucker. She solid too, bitch ass. Like, what the fuck? These niggas should be lame. I ain't gonna catch since the start of the video. I feel like we should just go ahead and take our first sip though.
Alright, bet.
No bullshit.
So y'all, we finna turn up, man.
Come on, y'all. I know y'all see that shit.
Hold up.
That lame as fuck. Bitch ass. Oh God! Come on, Mr. Bus Driver. He seen it.
Man. Come on, man.
He seen it
Come
too,
on,
bro.
He gonna look right at that slow motion,
oh,
bro.
God, he turned slow here like.
Oh yeah, we got two herds.
Oh yeah, they about to pull up, bro.
Hey, somebody got hooked, bro.
They about to fuck with us. Hold on. They about to fuck with us. Somebody finna fuck with us. Come on.
Yo!
Gotta do the goddamn the honk shit. Yay! Come on, baby. They looking, bro. Like, come on. They looking. Come on. Forward us.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on, bro.
Come on.
You see us.
You ugly fuck.
Man. These folks see us, dog. And I know you can read this shit, bro.
Y'all fuck with her, bro. Come on. Oh!
I know y'all see this.
He waved at us. That count.
Yeah, that count,
That
bro.
count. He waved at us.
That count. I ain't
He
even
waved
gonna
at
lie.
us.
I'm waiting for it to be goddamn busy as fuck. And it's a light right there too. So like when that shit turn red, I just want to hear niggas goddamn oh ass niggas like y'all ain't got no reason but not to do that shit.
Let's do it.
Come on, y'all. Man, we said honk, not rev that motherfucker. Man, they lame. They turn into the same goddamn shit. Alright, somebody come on.
He looking at shit. I think he's trying to read that bitch.
Somebody down here for this.
Oh yeah, come on, bro. Y'all know y'all can see shit.
Yeah, come on. Come on, man. She
Come
saw
on.
that shit.
Come on. Oh shit.
That boy about to lose that motherfucker. Man, what the fuck these niggas got going on, man?
What's your horn?
Don't hold it, y'all. Y'all can read that motherfucker. Oh yeah, they gonna see it.
Beat your horn.
Oh God.
Hey!
Somebody else gonna see it. Come on. Hey! Come on.
That bitch he laughing.
Hey. Good meat. Sweet. King.
G. Free.
God damn, I ain't gonna lie, this is an arm workout, y'all. Real shit.
Sorry.
Real shit, bro.
Lie.
What the fuck? Man, we only 5 minutes in this motherfucker too, like, I'm feeling good though. This ain't gotta be a 30-minute video and shit like that, y'all. Like, as long as we turn, y'all finna be turned with us and shit like that. Y'all might as well get y'all goddamn drink real quick.
Y'all turn this up, chat. Get y'all little drink, you know what I mean?
Get you a drink, nigga.
Y'all go ahead and beat us up in the comments, man. One beat people, you know what I mean?
Come on.
One shot.
Y'all comment honk if you made it this far in the goddamn video and shit.
Y'all comment honk, bro.
Come on. Yay! I know y'all heard that. Oh, damn. Sound like he cried that motherfucker.
Sound like a pile of cancer and shit. Y'all go ahead and beat that bitch.
Oh, God.
Beat that bitch.
Come on.
Beat that bitch. Come on, you got a nice car. Be in a good mood.
He seen it, too.
He over here looking back.
He broke his whole neck.
Hell.
That nigga said,
He gonna look all the way back.
honk that bitch, motherfucker.
Come on. Beat up, man. Beat up.
Hold on. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Can you make a honk noise? A honk noise. Hey!
Yay!
She was not happy for that.
She look like she decided to call the cops on
She
the
mad
nigga.
as hell right now. I ain't gonna lie.
Beat!
She finna get back in her car and do it. Oh, that's what I thought she was about to do. I'm about to say, man, she cool as hell. What the fuck? Damn.
Go to beat your hand,
Oh,
man.
God, what the fuck? Shit. I should be tired as fuck. Shit, that be long time. Oh, God.
Come on! Fall with us!
Fall with us.
Fall with us!
Come
Come on!
Y'all see this?
No!
Motherfucker. Y'all see this, hoe?
Amazon ad.
Come on, bro.
Oh yeah, come on. You got it too,
Oh,
bro.
God. Man, they lame as hell, bro. They seeing the I dropped my shit. They seeing us and shit. Hold on.
Chat, they not fucking with us.
They not fucking with us, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie.
We got a few though. We got a good amount though. You know what I mean? We got several.
We finna pipe them up. Hold on.
Come on.
Man, come on, bro. We on y'all level right now.
Come on, bro.
We on that level right now, y'all. I'm dropping everything and shit. This for y'all. You know what I'm saying? This shit for y'all right now.
Every time they don't honk y'all, I'm gonna look deep into their car.
God. Come on, y'all.
You in the Mustang, you supposed to be
Over there, bro. And this shit normally jumping too. It's slow as fuck right now. We getting some traction. We getting some traction, y'all. We getting some traction, y'all. I'm calling it right here, y'all. I'm calling it right here.
Come on.
I'm calling it right here, y'all. Hold up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dang. Hey! Hey, that's 2!
Hey!
Hey, that's 2! I told y'all, I'm fucking psychic. I can shoot the switch. Oh! Almost sold right there. Almost sold. Damn.
Y'all fought with him, man. Yeah, come on.
God.
Hit that motherfucker, man. Come on.
They lame as fuck,
Hell.
God damn. I scratched the hell out of my thumb and shit.
Man, look, y'all.
Niggas ain't never seen a Honk We Drink motherfucker like I'm LeBron. Shit, we gonna get slow patches here and there, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know the vibes and shit like that. Just cause of that though, celebratory drink, fuck it.
Yeah.
You not drinking for real, y'all. His shit still food. I'm capping, my fault, y'all. I'm bullshitting. Oh, they dropping slow as hell. They better see this shit. They better see this shit. Oh God.
Beat, come on. Beat.
Yeah!
Hey, they cool as fuck.
Yeah. Come on.
Come on.
Man, they lame as fuck. Hey! I take that back, y'all. My fault.
Hey!
I take that back, y'all. Damn, ran it for me. Oh, they ran it for me.
I went blind, dog. You gotta hand it to me. You gotta give me that. Prayed, then I prayed again. You don't wanna play with him.
They got a couple of folks pulling up.
Oh yeah.
Hold on.
Hey man, they Honk We Drink.
God, y'all know what the fucking vibes is, man. We got them on live.
We
while
on
recording live
on YouTube. Come on, man. We everywhere, man.
Brian not stopping, y'all.
Come on. Oh yeah. Beep.
Come on. Yeah!
Come here, motherfucker. Come on. Yeah! Come on.
That's two, bro.
That's two. Come on. Ah. Hey, that's two though, y'all. That's two, man. We good. We got two right there.
Hell yeah. Go ahead and take your two. I'll take over right here. Oh! Hey! Yay! Ah, this ass nigga. I'll take that extra one though. I'll take that extra one, y'all.
Finish clearing, y'all. Finish clearing, man.
Oh shit.
Woo!
I ain't gonna lie, I got one more sip in me. I got one more sip. There you go, bro. Oh, that nigga.
Oh, me.
It be the folks that goddamn look at you straight in your face, and you see them looking at you, and they don't honk. Them type of niggas. Oh, yeah, bitch. Oh, we got a whole horde coming up. Come on, y'all. We got somebody turning too. Come on. You better see that motherfucker.
Oh, yeah. Come on. Y'all see this? Come on.
Come on. I just need one, bro.
Come on. Fall with us. Hey!
Come on. This it right here.
That's it right here. Come on.
Ah, here, bitch.
He looking straightforward and shit.
Oh, God, that boy goddamn
Boy,
being all safe and shit.
don't
like.
die. Yo, man, we got 9 people in the chat, man. Y'all like a line, man.
Y'all
Let's do it,
spam
man.
that shit up, man.
Y'all
Come
spam
on,
us
man.
up, man. Let's do it, man. Let's do it, man. What I walk into, man, you walk into the Honk We Drink, man. That's what you walking into, man. 49 likes, I love to see it, man. Come on.
We just running this shit up now.
Like, what?
Hold on, I gotta switch it out, y'all.
I already know they had to
I
reload.
switch that on God. Quick draw that motherfucker. Come on.
Come on, truck. Come on, truck.
Honk! Man, they got their windows down. That's why I'm saying honk, y'all. Like,
that dude been passing out with their windows down.
honk!
Y'all hook it up, man. Come on.
Man, they honk.
Yay! Come on, pop that can open.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, that one, y'all. That one, y'all. That one.
Yeah, hit it from the bag. Watch a nigga bless you. Come on. Come on. One of these three. One of these three. One of these three.
Come on.
Honk!
Honk!
Honk! Honk! I knew his window down too, bro. I knew it. Yeah. I should have just bombed. Oh, we got a big fleet coming.
Oh, shit.
Hold on, I gotta get that extra one with that last one before they come. Shit. Alright, we good. Alright, shit.
Yeah. Come on.
Come on. Hey! That one. That one, y'all. Come on. Let's get three. Let's get three.
Come on.
Let's get three.
Come on.
Ah, they holding.
Come on, bro. He gonna look at me
Come
right in my
on.
eyes and not do it.
Come on.
Come on, bro.
That's two. That's two.
That's two.
Come on.
Woo! That's three. I heard you over there, my boy.
I did. Come on. Hold on, I'm gonna wait till these last two pass by. I'm wait till these last two pass by. That's three right there, though.
That's three, y'all.
That's three right there, y'all.
No, three, that means
right.
3 shots.
I'll take that. Let's do it.
Oh, you on there.
God damn. I'm sweating and shit.
Hey, they said do the hump, like the truckers do.
Oh!
That's smart.
Nigga,
We're gonna do that. We're gonna do that.
God.
We're gonna do that.
I'm about to see if it's a difference, y'all. That's smart as hell. Nigga, just goddamn making some cardboard, spray paint that motherfucker, and just sit on the side of the road, bro. You know what I'm saying? This shit took $11, $12. I already had the cardboard, I already had the goddamn spray paint. I just had to go get the drinks real quick. Oh, niggas. Oh, we got a big couple of niggas right here. Alright. I feel like we finna get 5 with the little motherfucker. I feel like we about to get 5 of these. I ain't even gonna count.
Oh, yeah. Come on.
We about to get 5, y'all. You know what I mean? Why this shit? Hold on. I'm gonna get that shit down just a tad bit. Hey! That's one.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Y'all gonna look great at us.
What the fuck? What? What? No way, Mr. Bus Driver. Mr. Bus Driver.
You gotta do it, bro.
Mr. Bus Driver.
You gotta do it, bus driver. Come on.
No way. She
gave us the ugly
She was
look.
stank face as fuck. Like,
She gave us the stank
she ready to
face.
go home like a motherfucker. I ain't gonna
Bad
care.
ass, yeah, it worked.
Damn, we only got one, y'all. See, I ain't tripping, bro. God damn, bro.
Hey, we still got one at the end of the day.
We still got one. Well, I'm gonna let these folks go and I'm gonna take mine.
Hey, that's two.
It's the Amazon. See, I fuck with Amazon.
Y'all cool, bro.
I mean, not Jeff Bezos, but the folks that work at Amazon. Ooh, that look. But the folks that working at Amazon.
One.
You took 2?
Nah, this about to be my second. Follow me back. Yeah. Stunning roses, appreciate those roses, nah. Yeah. Shayla, yeah.
Hold on.
Appreciate you, Shayla.
I might get the other side real quick.
You said my second. Nah,
that side not worried about this at all. Them niggas not worried about this at all, y'all. So I might stick over here. I ain't gonna lie. I might stick over here, y'all. I want to get another pack of cut waters. I ain't even gonna cut this y'all, bro. Might fuck around and do that shit, y'all. Just off camera, though. I ain't even gonna cut. Come on, y'all. Fuck with it, bro. Y'all folding the feet, y'all? We got big ass motherfucker right here. I'm guessing 3 right here. My bet is 3. This is the first one right here. They gonna do it. Come on. Bitch ass hoes, never mind. Never mind. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on! Come on, man! 9! 0! Come on, give it 1. Come on! 0. Come on!
Come on! Spit down!
Come on! Hey, hold on! Hey, give me!
Oh yeah, we already know. Yeah. Oh yeah. We had to stop. Yeah. Got to, man. Hold on. Yeah. Y'all see what we doing, man?
I'm about to get real on these motherfuckers.
I'm telling you. Come on, man. We out here, man. We out here, man. Let's do it. We getting up close and personal with it.
Huh?
We getting up close and personal with it. You know what I mean?
Come on, y'all.
Alright, bet. I bet. I'm gonna
Stay straight. Every red light, I'm coming up to motherfuckers, y'all. Nah, no harassing shit. Just go ahead and honk real quick, like.
Damn.
Go ahead and honk real quick.
That's what we gotta do. That's just what we gotta do.
Like, come on.
That's what we gotta do. That's what we gotta do.
We trying to have a good ass time. Like,
Come on.
we trying to fight y'all love too. Damn. I'm getting tired, y'all. I owed y'all that one. I ain't gonna lie. Woo-wee. We got a whole nother people coming, y'all. Hold on. It ain't over to the fat lady thing.
I'm telling you.
Come on!
Come on.
Somebody about to give her one. Feeling that motherfucker yet?
Huh?
You feeling that bit yet?
What, burn?
Nah, the drink.
Oh.
Hell
Not
nah.
for real.
Hell yeah, I bet. We gonna get some more, bro.
Come on.
Come on!
Come on. Beat that bubble.
Come on, bro. Damn. That shit was not funny, y'all. That shit hurt.
Oh, shit.
Oh, God.
Boom, boom.
Hey! Those ass niggas, man. Ooh, yeah.
Karma.
I ain't see it. Bro. I ain't see it.
Thank God, there's only one viewer in that bitch. Then lose my aura.
God, real shit. Hey! That's 2 right there. All right, here we got another fleet coming. Hold up. Man, what? Definitely feeling that motherfucker burn though. I ain't even gonna count. Come on! Come on, y'all! Somebody, anybody, everybody, scream!
Beat this motherfucker, man.
Damn. This slowing down, y'all. I ain't even gonna cap.
Oh my.
We got another fleet coming. We gotta see what that bitch talking about real quick, y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all. But shit, I'm gonna be real. We don't get no honks after day one. We just gonna fade these bitches up. And we gonna rack this motherfucker up, y'all. I ain't even gonna cap. I ain't gonna take up too much y'all time and shit like that. You dig what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all tapping the this far. If y'all tapped in this far and shit like that, nigga, comment cut water. Fuck Honk. If y'all made it this far in the goddamn video, 25 minutes, comment cut water, y'all. Y'all the real family. You know what I'm saying? If y'all made it this far, y'all the real family.
Y'all for real. Y'all the real.
Real shit. Y'all seen it from sun up to sundown. They done started getting black on it. Like, you dig what I'm saying? And we still out here for y'all, bro. Come on. This for y'all, bro. This is for scientific purposes, y'all. We are trained professionals. Do not do this stunt at home. Do not do this stunt at home. Oh, God. All right, that might be it, y'all. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all typing into the video and shit like that. Like I said, I'm finna goddamn put this nigga shit in the description. Yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to this man, bro. You wanna say something?
Man, y'all just vote me, man. Y'all do what y'all do, man. You got something you believe in, man. You do that, be consistent with it, man. Facts. Nothing too crazy, man. I appreciate y'all for watching this video, man. Shout out, you know what I mean, Showtime himself.
Come on now.
You know what I'm saying? Real one, bro.
Love, son. Do what I'm saying?
So, you know what I mean?
Y'all goddamn make sure y'all stay safe out there and shit like that. We on the road 10K, nigga. We not stopping shit. Leg it.